This is episode 4 of 20 tips of YouTube search engine optimization. In this episode, I'm going to discuss tips for writing effective description to optimize your YouTube video and increase your earning from YouTube. Description can convey valuable information and helps viewers find your video in the search results and understand what they shall be watching. Well-written description with the right keywords can boost views and watch time because they shall help your video show up in the search results. Here are a few tips for writing effective description. Number 1, identify one or two main keywords that describe your video and feature them prominently in the beginning of your description and title. And if there are more than 3 keywords, then it may get flagged as keyword stuffing. You may have noticed that on the search page itself, only 120 characters of the description actually shows up. This doesn't affect indexing, but it does mean you have to plan your YouTube description carefully to really hook people into clicking through from just the first sentence or two. As you write description of your video, browse popular video on the same topic. Take a couple of the top keywords from the description and add them into your video description. Use Google Trends and Google Ad Keyword Planner to identify popular keywords and their synonyms. Including these terms can maximize your traffic from the search. If your video is long, consider placing time codes in your description to help users jump to their area of interest. At the end of your YouTube description, include a call to action to direct viewers on what to do next. Right? Advertiser-friendly description. Advertiser can choose to target videos that contain particular terms and keywords in the title, description, or tags in order to reach the audience they value. You can use related hashtag in a video description to help viewers find your video when they search for a specific hashtag. Make sure you only use hashtag related to your video. Don't saturate your description section with hashtags. YouTube will ignore all hashtag on a video if it has more than 15 hashtags. Preview the description in YouTube search, on the video watch page, and on various mobile devices to make sure the most important information is missing or not. Use YouTube Analytics Traffic Sources Report, which can tell you what keywords lead people to your video. If you want to know more about YouTube search engine optimization, subscribe my YouTube channel and keep watching next episode of Top 20 Tips for YouTube Search Engine Optimization. Thanks.